Hi dear viewers, and welcome to Display Repair. Changing the spark plugs is one of the easiest maintenance jobs on a car, but it's also surprisingly easy to make mistakes that can cause misfires, engine damage, or very expensive repairs. In this video, we'll show you the most common and, in our opinion, the most serious mistakes people make when changing spark plugs and how you can avoid them. Whether you're working on an older engine with ignition leads or a newer coil-on plug system, these tips can save you from trouble. So stay tuned.
DisplayRepair.com.
Mistake number 1. Changing plugs on a hot engine. One of the biggest mistakes is removing spark plugs while the engine is still hot. Most modern engines use aluminum cylinder heads. Aluminum expands when hot, and removing spark plugs from a hot cylinder head increases the risk of damaging the threads. In severe cases, the threads can strip completely, turning a simple maintenance job into an expensive repair. Always allow the engine to cool down before starting the job. Ideally, wait at least an hour after driving, but the best thing to do would be to change the spark plugs when the engine is stone cold. Mistake number 2. Cross-threading the spark plug. This is one of the most expensive mistakes on this list. Cross-threading happens when the spark plug is installed at an angle and the threads don't engage properly. Once the cylinder head threads are damaged, repairs can be difficult and costly. This oftentimes involves taking off the complete cylinder head. The best practice to avoid this is to start threading the spark plug by hand. If it doesn't turn smoothly, stop immediately and try again. Never force a spark plug into the cylinder head. If it doesn't feel right and there's resistance, stop and try to find out the reason. Mistake number 3. Over-tightening the spark plug. Over-tightening the spark plug is also a very common and very dangerous mistake. Over-tightening can damage the threads, crack the spark plug, or make future removal extremely difficult. Except for maybe the cracked spark plug, you don't know what's worse, more complicated, or costly to solve. The best way to prevent this is to use a torque wrench and tighten the spark plugs according to the manufacturer's specification. Proper torque ensures a good seal without risking damage. Mistake number 4. Mixing up ignition leads or coil connectors. This mistake is especially common on older engines that use ignition leads. It's less present with a system with ignition coils. Know that if the ignition leads are connected to the wrong cylinders, the engine may run extremely rough or not start at all. To avoid this, we would recommend before removing any leads or coils, take a picture with your phone. You can also attach a label to each lead to avoid confusion during reassembly. But the best option is to change one spark plug at a time. So as soon as you install the new spark plug, return the ignition lead and then continue to the other cylinder, and you won't have any problems. A few seconds of preparation can save you from a lot of trouble later. Mistake number 5. Using the wrong spark plugs. Not all spark plugs are the same. Many people assume that if a spark plug physically fits, it must be correct for the engine. Unfortunately, that's not true. Spark plugs differ in heat range, electrode design, thread length, and gap specifications. Using the wrong plug can cause poor performance, hard starting, misfires, increased fuel consumption, and even engine damage. Be sure to always check the correct spark plug specification for your vehicle before installation. Dear viewers, those would be the most common mistakes when changing spark plugs. We would also add less common reasons like accidentally leaving the spark plug loose for some reason, dropping and damaging the spark plug, not cleaning the area around the spark plug before taking it out, not checking the condition of the spark plug when you take it out, which tells you the condition of the engine, and else. But among all of these mistakes, the most serious ones are, in our opinion, over-tightening and cross-threading. Both of these mean big and costly trouble. If not immediate trouble, then the next time you change the spark plugs it will appear and can easily mean, as mentioned, needing to remove the cylinder head. So if you plan to change the spark plugs, please make sure you have this in mind. It can save you from making a nice DIY easy job into a mechanical nightmare. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. If you find the time, watch our other videos that should make your life easier with your car and driving. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video.